Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing the Minecraft sword in Procreate. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do it. So here I have my iPad Pro and my Apple Pencil, and what we're going to do first is enable our grid. So let's go into the settings tool, enable our drawing guide, hit edit drawing guide, and let's make the grid at about 100 pixels. And I've got an 8.5 by 11 canvas I'm working with. So as you know, anything to do with Minecraft is just a block of pixels or boxes and squares. So it's really easy to do this drawing. So the bottom left of the sword is made up of 9 boxes. So let's start off by using the dark teal and just a regular round brush. So yeah, something like that. And we're going to be drawing a 3x3 square. To draw a perfect square, don't let go of the pencil and hit anywhere, tap anywhere on the canvas, and it'll become a perfect square. And then we can just drag our color right into that box. And inside this box is just a lighter teal. So let's draw a box here. And if I drag this here, you just got to be careful to make sure that your color drop threshold is maybe at about 35–36%. If I do it higher, it's not gonna work. Okay, next we are gonna grab a dark burgundy or maroon color. And this part is made up of a 2x2 box. So let's start a new layer. And then let's draw a 2x2. And then really easy, I'm just gonna duplicate that layer, swipe left and hit duplicate, and then get your arrow tool, and then we're just gonna move it up by 1 square diagonally. And I think I just wanna nudge this over a little bit. To use the nudge tool, just click on this arrow and you can use your finger and just tap. All right, next up, we're gonna do a teal box right there. And I want this to be super perfect because this is what we're going to be copying and pasting with. Okay, I just want to clean up some layers. I'm going to be just merging down these 2 browns. So click on the layer, hit merge down. So you should have 1 layer, which is the bottom left, 1 layer for the brown, and then that green. So let's duplicate this green, and then we're going to go down diagonally. Just going to make this nudge to the left a bit, and then we're going to duplicate that again and go up here, duplicate again, go up this way, duplicate again, this time we're going to go to the right, and then we're going to duplicate yet again, down this way, hope you guys are following along. And then over here, we are going to duplicate that and put it right here. Duplicate again, this way. Starting to get a bit confusing, right? Okay, let's clean up some layers now. I'm just gonna merge all of these guys here. And then we're gonna keep this one just to duplicate again. Then duplicate yet again. It's kind of a mirror of the other side. All right, guys, did you make it? Hope you made that. All right, let's clean up the layers again. I'm just gonna keep one green at the top so that I can keep copying it. Okay, let me duplicate this layer. And then we're gonna move this up right there. And then I'm just gonna merge this down. So now that one layer is that. So now with this guy, we're gonna duplicate again and we're gonna do diagonal. And then there's 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's merge this down, duplicate that. Now we got 4. Merge down again, duplicate that, and we got 8. And now we want this side over on this side as well. And then let's merge that down. And then we're gonna duplicate this over here. So duplicate, I'm gonna move it right there. Okay, let's merge this down. Merge this down again. So that's what you're left with. So now, I should have left another box to copy and paste, but that's okay. I'm gonna use the selection tool. I'm gonna freehand select this box. I'm gonna hit copy and paste. And here is my new layer. So I'm gonna move this up this way. I'm gonna duplicate that again. And again. And then now all we have to do is just fill in the rest. So again, clean up our layers. And so let's create another layer, but this time we're gonna put it underneath everything. And we're gonna grab just a medium teal. This one here. And again, I'm gonna do another square. And then I'm gonna copy and paste this all the way down in the middle. So let's duplicate that. Duplicate that. And again, I can just merge these 3 layers together. Hit duplicate. Now I got 6. Duplicate that again. And then I'm just gonna merge them again. And all I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna stay on the same layer as this one, and I'm just gonna color them in. And then lastly, the remaining squares are a really light teal. So maybe something like that. And then we're gonna create another layer underneath everything. And then last thing is, let's take off the grid, go into your settings and disable that. And then I'm just gonna merge everything. So it's becoming one layer. And there you go, guys. There is your super easy Minecraft sword. I hope it was easy. To get notified of more new videos where I teach you to draw, be sure to subscribe.